Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Please make sure that you subscribe to the channel, like this video, share if you can. Today's video is gonna be an unboxing video, but it's gonna be different because you guys know that my skin has been through a lot, from trying the turmeric mask to steaming to trying all the things just to make sure that it's clear and it's glowing. So I was like, you know what, I think my skin actually needs to rest. My skin needs something which is more natural. My skin needs something which is so smooth and not very exfoliating. And then I was like, you know what, maybe I should try aloe vera, right? So I spent so much time thinking about aloe vera because for those of you guys who don't know, aloe vera has got so many benefits to the skin. If I can start mentioning the benefits of aloe vera to the skin, I won't finish now. It smoothes the skin, it moisturizes the skin, it clears acne, it clears the dark spots, it helps with blemishes and hyperpigmentation. If I can just go on and on and on, this video is gonna be so long because aloe vera is actually something which is more natural and more beneficial to the skin. Even when I was growing up, my grandmother used to give it to us so that we apply it on our face, but as being kids, I was like, that's gross, I'm not gonna put that on my face. But today here I am. So I was thinking about aloe vera, and at first I was like, you know what, maybe I should buy the one which is like in a container thingy, the one which is packaged. And then I was like, no man, the one which is packaged, obviously the quality and the natural part of it is obviously compromised, because obviously they have to put like preservatives, they have to put fragrances sometimes, and it's not really 100% aloe vera. I was like, I need the real plant. Went online and started searching and scrolling. Guess what I saw? I saw the natural aloe vera plant, and then I was like, this can't be real. So I was like, you know what, I'm just gonna take my chances and buy it. And then I was just wondering how it's gonna look, or how is it gonna look, how are they gonna package it and everything. I was just worried, but then I was like, you know what, let me just buy it, and then I'm gonna find it out when it finally arrives. And it actually arrived yesterday, and I haven't unboxed it because I was waiting to share this video with you guys. So we're gonna unbox together. Let me show you guys. So first of all, when I saw this box, I was like, how on earth is there an aloe vera plant in here? I was just confused, but then I'm gonna insert the picture of what I saw on the internet versus what I got. So this is how the box looks like. So I'm just gonna go ahead and unbox it with you guys. This is such a short video. I got my scissor here. I don't know how I'm gonna do it. Okay, the thing is, it's not even heavy. It's not heavy. Oh, by the way, this was like 35 kwai. 35 kwai is like $4.5. $4.5. Guys, it's actually a tree, guys. After getting sometimes literally living in China is such a struggle, because most of the time you see things online, and when you buy them, when they arrive, it's something which is totally different. I wasn't expecting this to be an actual plant. Wow. So this has like rubber bands, so I think I'm gonna remove them so that the leaves can spread this. And I think I can use this for as long as I want, because look at it has roots. Bonang, it has literally roots, so it means I have to find a container and take care of it and just take one leaf and use it. When they're talking about convenience, they're talking about China, literally. I don't know any convenient place. So I have an aloe vera plant, so it means now I have two plants to take care of, but this one is also going to take care of me, because it's going to benefit for my stretch marks and my acne and my pimples. Guys, I've never been so excited in my life. And you know what, it's so fresh, guys. It's not even dry. Of course, I do acknowledge like some dryness here, but it's nothing really to worry about, I think. So I think I'm just going to do more research about how to take care of the aloe vera plant, because I don't want it to die on me. Like, I'll be a bad mother if it dies, so I don't want to be a bad mother. So I'm going to do more research. I think there's actually something in the box. Let me check. Yeah, it came with this thing. I think these are manures or nutrients. I think those are nutrients. I think these are nutrients for the plant. Nutrients for the plant. I think I should actually document this because I've never been so excited to own a plant. Okay, I'm lying. When this one arrived, I was over the moon. But with aloe vera, I'm a bit more excited because it's gonna benefit me too. So I think I'm gonna document the whole thing. What if it dies? If it dies, guys, don't judge me, okay? Don't judge me. Still gonna do research, take off the plant, and yeah, I think I'm gonna do more videos about how I'm gonna use it for my face mask and if I'm gonna be seeing progress or anything like that. But in the meantime, guys, make sure that you're subscribed to the channel, like this video, share if you can, comment down below, guys, for the algorithm. You guys don't know, it's so important for you guys to comment so that YouTube can push my videos. Okay, bye guys.